Assalamualaikum to Dr. Ijinaja Aini. Today we will see a presentation which is our project. The title name is Water Turbine. Okay. I want to present our team. First, my friend name is Muhammad Hamid Haikal. Second, me, Muhammad Fikri. And third, Malik Ikrot Tanzi. This is our introduction. An essential part of hydroelectric power generating are water turbines, which use the energy of falling or flowing water to generate electricity. These apparatus transform water's kinetic and potential energy into mechanical energy, which a generator subsequently transforms into electrical energy. The product of renewable energy and the decrease in reliance on fossil fuels have been greatly aided by the development of water turbines.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for the problem statement, there are two problems that we highlight for this project, which are global demand for renewable energy is increased nowadays, and the second is challenges with conventional hydroelectric dams because the infrastructure need huge investment and also can give negative impact to the environment. So for the objective, firstly, we describe the principle of water turbines. Then we comparing the different types of water turbines through research. Then we designing appropriate water turbine structure, and finally analyze the application and benefits of the water turbine. So next, we're moving to project scopes. The water turbine design is based on findings for several peer-reviewed journal papers published between 2016 until 2024. The selected design was determined through an intensive literature review process to identify the most promising and efficient water turbine configurations. The literature review examines journal articles from the past 8 years to ensure that the chosen design will be able to generate as much electrical current as possible. For the specific model produced, we use technique and method learned during the lectures. We also refine and improve the design through the online self-learning, assessing the latest research and expertise in hydroelectric power.
So now, I will continue with literature review. This is our literature review. We have 6 research, so we choose a 5th research, which is assessment of a prototype of gravitational water turbine, experimental validation of efficiency. So we can see their advantage and disadvantage. So first advantage, the configuration used in this work has been proposed with modified blades based on turbo types, turbine coupled with the eddy for field attention to double ring runner. The blade gravity is intended to improve voltage shading by adapting to thin fiber component and speed axis and reduce turbulence loss, flight and structure. The interaction is intended to generate a continuous pressure gradient taking advantage of the impulse of the tangential component for the whirlpool. Disadvantage, it has been confirmed that the results are not significant, cannot change due to having different size and refresh from the match in the model.
For the methodology, the project's objective is to create a 3D model of a water turbine with optimized design for maximum electrical current generation. The approach of conducting an intensive literature review to integrate the latest scientific research on water turbine efficiency is a solid foundation for design process. Utilizing AutoCAD for the 3D model phase allows for precise and detailed representation of the turbine, which is crucial for analyzing its performance. This methodical process not only applies theoretical knowledge but also employs practical skill in CAD software, bridging the gap between academic learning and real-world application. For design of this project, we use past projects to generate ideas for our final model, especially base component. Other than that, We also use various past projects to make comparison and accuracy of this project. So, as we can see at the flowchart, firstly, we get a project instruction for lecturer. Then we find several journal. If the journal meet a requirement, it will proceed to the design stage. If it is if the journal not meet the requirement process, we find another journal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin Haikal bin Alim. Matrix number DN230084. I will explain about our result and analysis. Okay, this is our sketch for this project. We use this sketch for generate the base and side of the base. This is the final result of this project. We use a third angle projectile as the final result of the drawing. These are all the components we use in this project. We separate with a 4 type. First one is base, the second one is blade, third cover, and following the generator. For this video, first we draw a base component according to sketch that we already draw. For the blade, we learn how to make it first by using a YouTube video. Another component like a cover and generator, the dimension used in this project is according image from internet or the past project.
So this is our last slide, which is conclusion. We can conclude to generate power sustainably, water turbines are critical for capturing renewable energy from falling and flowing water. with the effective conversion of water kinetic and potential energy into mechanical energy, water turbines and produce electricity. Water turbines technology is expected to continue to advance due in a large part to emerging innovation and sustainable practice. Hydroelectric power generation is based on water turbine, which are critical to the world shift to renewable energy source.